Hello again, everyone. We have another job, and this is a cleaning job. So the job description for this is again cleaning. So you will be responsible to clean inside and outside of the Keisei railway. So inside and outside of the train. So this is scheduled for interview June 8, Thursday, tomorrow at our main office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So we're looking for 2 people for this, and the job working hours for this would be from 8:30 to 1600, and there will be a rest time for that, of course. And the salary is 195,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So this job is located in Katsushika in Tokyo. So again, the job description is cleaning. So this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, June 8 at our main office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So anyone who are interested for this job, please comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 03620688058. So we do conduct online interview also. For that, you can call us. So for more jobs, we do have other jobs. We are open from Monday to Sunday. So anyone interested for this job or for other jobs that is available in the office, please let us know. Please comment down below, or you can call our office number. Thank you.